we made $217 from the weekly put credit spreads and $80 from the monthly put credit spreads. We closed the first one at $80 and we closed the second one today at $60 and we reopened a new put credit spreads and we got from it $77. That was fantastic day. And this is me opening my option trades. First of all, I am going to check the weekly put credit spreads that I opened yesterday. I will choose the weekly put credit spreads at 7th of May. I will choose buy to close and we will see that I need to pay about $10 and that's fantastic because we are going to make $60 and I close it and it's filled immediately right away. Now we are going to see the monthly put credit spreads. I want to close them because I made about let's see if I want to close them. I want to buy to close. I will get about I need to pay about $125 to close them and we get from them $205. That's put us at $80 profit and I don't want to continue with the monthly. I want to stick with the weekly put credit spreads because I like them more. Now the order will fill immediately as you see, and now we open the market to open a new weekly put credit spreads. I choose 7 days ahead and as you can see it will be on 8th of May and I will choose the 704 and 703 to sell my put credit spreads, and when I sell them I will sell 11 contract because now we have $1,100 to trade with and I will get $77 from this trade and I will hit paper trade so I can sell this put credit spread. As you can see it's filled immediately. Now in the end of this trading day I want to check my weekly put credit spreads that I opened today to see how the market go, and as you see if I want to close this put credit spreads now I need to pay about $80 because we buy 11 contract, we sold 11 contract, I'm sorry, and $82 and that's put us at $5 loss. I don't want to do it because I want to give it more time. Please subscribe and thank you very much. And that's our spreadsheet for the weekly put credit spreads. As you can see, we opened the last one at the 27th of April and we sell 10 contract and the expiration date was the 1st of May and we get $100, but we close it at the 30th of April and we pay $20, so our net profit is $80. And we just open a new put credit spreads as you see, and we open it in the 30th of May and we sell also 10 contract and it will expire at 7th of May, and we get $70 of it as a premium, and that's very good. We will see what happened in the end of this trading day.